live right now.
Whose account? Yours?
Yeah, of course. Fucking boyed it today. No equipment, holding it in my hand. Worst error ever.
Oh, yeah, get this.
Get
Nigga.
I ain't ever gonna clip that.
Yo, just cancel your ass here.
Of course. It even says transmission unstable. The Wi-Fi, innit?
I wanna see the Corvette. No, Larry forgot the equipment. He left that at home. This is just an L day. He just forgot, bro. I didn't speak to him, innit? He only cooked when he got there. He said, fuck, I forgot the equipment. Bro, he's just looking at himself. He's just like, fuck, alright. Like, we're just gonna have to record it on camera and shit.
Fire,
I can't stream it. I have no mic, nothing. Like, there's no gimbal, nothing. I'm just gonna have to record it and try to get a clip out of the side. Yeah, that's what I'm
Can you tell him to tuck his shirt in, please?
Who said I should tuck my shirt in?
Dej. Yeah.
I should send you a log on for Samsung. Wait, what should I say to the Escalade guy?
Where is it? Oh, yeah.
The man can even pick it up as well.
No HL3. Good dude, so he's bitch. He's growing ham. Is it Clive that sells him the thing?
What this?
I'm on some other channel, innit? I'll send you the thing.
Tell him tuck in, he tucked in.
So the key till I got.
What'd you say?
You man streaming? Nah. What is it? A vlog? Nice. What's the thing? Let me send it.
Send it to what?
They wanna see it.
Who?
Edmund and Junior. We can find the guy you own.
Yeah, he's tucked in. Then.
Not open. Yo. Hello? Why do I have to tuck it in? Why do I have to tuck it in?
Basically, he called his missus saying, oh, we're not coming.
How do I speak to the... Like, how do you do anything?
Can't open it.
It's locked.
Unless the thing is there, innit? Does Junior have the...
It's not Juniors.
Which one is that?
These are the man that sell Escalades in England.
Oh, to him.
Nah, not to you.
So, oh.
These guys that just sell it, but they just charge a mad thing for it.
So where does he buy his? From America.
That's a V8 one though.
This is not V8. What ones does he bring?
He's got like just normal.
Oh.
Can you not open any of the cards? Can't do nothing. What do you even do? Do you like this car?
Yeah, Corvette anyway. I think they're decent. still can't believe what I've done
Nah,
today.
yeah, you would.
I've wrapped everything.
I had a blunder still.
Oh man.
I think Edmund said, why is Larry behaving weird?
Bro, like that's some fuck shit, man. I don't even do that often. Why today?
Call the cards.
Huh?
Call the cards. What's that? Oh, this one actually.
Nah. Does that even make sense? I forgot.
Carbon fiber pitch.
They wanted me to go in the gym with weights back. You don't want to do too much running. It's more like weighting.
Man's alright. Was there a point where you were like in the walk?
What time are you trying to get to your match?
3:30.
Might as well hold the camera and put it on both of us. This is some fuck shit. I'm so upset. I'm so upset.
I just stream a dumbass day party. What the hell am I gonna do at a day party?
This is for the higher up. This one screams as well. Don't get me walking, nigga. What you said? Oh, do you wanna sit in this one?
Nah, what is this?
That's alright. They'll call you Black James Bond. I will call you in it. Which one do you want to sit?
None.
Nah, this one. Wait till they finish. Wrapped it. Can't believe it. Go on, sit in. I'll call you, G. James Bond.
It's wonderful, thank you.
Okay. Do you want to go on there, just do Sorry, I don't understand.
They call him 007. 007. Oh, that's a lad.
Nah, man. I still am in disbelief.
Hey, let's try going to McLaren, man.
a big front, you know, we take it so
I don't know. You know how to open that?
Huh?
How do you open that door?
I don't know, you know. How do you open it? How do you have to open it?
I think it comes up.
Like this. It's locked. That one looks bad though.
Is that 720S?
This one's open, I think.
Huh?
I think this one's open. I think certain cars they don't open it.
What McLaren is that?
I don't fucking know this.
Oh no, this is the mad one.
Oh, the Privee one. What's it called? That one's the Zentorno. The T20. This one's like... Oh, this is the Privee one. I've seen it. I just don't know what it's called. Okay. What car should we look at? La Ferrari. Look at the Bugattis.
Where's the Bugatti? Yeah.
These are crazy shows still.
And does like bespoke.
What car is that? Lotus.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, these men don't forget their equipment. Sorry, man.
I was better off forgetting the clothes. Yeah, everyone's clothes. My clothes as well, than the equipment, fam.
How are you better to getting the clothes?
Bro, because at least you can just film, or at least the phone films. We're just looking at cars there, bro.
Yeah, that's...
I have to move on. But that's a fucking error, man. I don't know more human beings that can do that.
Is this a Zentorno?
Bro.
Which one's this one?
The adder.
You know what I mean? Like at this stage, why do you want to take
Crazy. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Just look at machines. That look nice. Bugatti, you know.
Inshallah, Abdullah.
Nah. Oh, that thing where you go on your knees.
Wait, what's that thing that dude does?
Yeah, that guy does it on his knees before a car.
Yeah, do that, please.
I'm not doing get on my knees.
Might as well be a meme.
I ain't getting on my knees.
she look at now? Let me actually take some pictures. What these folks are doing. How are you even gonna edit this?
What do you mean?
How are you gonna even edit this on the stream?
Edit it how?
To make the sound and stuff. Oh, what's this car?
Looks like a Maserati. There we go.
I don't really like them. Is that the Zentorno?
No,
Which one's the Zentorno?
it's a Lamborghini Veneno. Or Veneno. Is there things? Yeah, there's something.
Who said that?
Turkey, man.
You on it?
Yeah. There's some spec, yeah.
Larry forgot all the equipment, so we have to do it on this quick account. Can I get a picture?
Huh?
Should I get a picture?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of you.
Blue's my favorite color.
Why are you touching it?
Huh?
Why are you touching it? Put your hands in your pockets. Yeah.
Do you want a picture?
Yeah, alright.
I don't think it's I think it's
It will come.
So it's vintage watches. They're there. Yeah.
What have I done? Sorry.
Did you say what have you done?
Yeah.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yes. I'm fucked, bro. I've wrapped my whole thing. I need to even go to Wembley. Well, how the fuck am I doing that?
Doing a shot coming out of that.
Nah, the door didn't open. The door's already open.
Oh.
Call it when you open the door.
Is there any other cars to even look at?
Ferraris. What Lambo is this?
The speed of the cars going by and going, yeah. Like, there's no conspiracy.
You know someone owns this.
Huh?
Someone owns this car.
How do you know?
Probably do, bro. T9, yeah, someone Gara owns that. Is it you?
Oh, the ones you can't open.
Nah, I don't know. Yeah, those are both his cars. Come see. Check the plates. Yeah, they're both his cars. So who owns that shit?
I don't know who he is. Do you know him?
Nah, you need to know.
I need to get there. This is inspiring.
I don't believe this.
Man, oh man.
It's mine. You say no?
I said, why not?
Oh yeah.
Why? Do you want to see the Bentley quick? I don't even rate Bentleys.
Same. I literally saw one earlier. I said, I don't know even know that.
What
After
cars?
the one in Dubai, innit?
What cars do you want to check? The Ferrari?
I always did like the Dutch field.
That's the Martin.
Could I open the driver door?
My daughter just wants a bit of peace and quiet at the moment.
Oh, okay. Can I ask what you do for a living?
Have a few different jobs.
You've done a few different jobs?
I have a few different jobs.
Oh, like what industries are they in?
I'd rather not say it's private.
Really?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we can clear the central parade, please. Everyone back onto the lawns.
Just my business, what I do.
Oh, okay.
We're going to get the parade underway, but we need to
Do you have any
have everyone off the
inspirational advice
tarmac
you
road
give
and
people who
on to
aspire
the
to
lawn?
own like, nice cars in life?
Just do what makes you happy.
What makes you happy? And what would you say
So
about
last
like, being a
weekend we
resilient,
had
hard-working
a
person?
Salon Privee pop-up last Saturday on Sloane Street.
Don't
where
really
we
want to be on the
took
camera,
over the
thanks.
25 cars.
Oh, no.
Outside. Laura Piano, Ferragamo, Gucci, Prada, you name it.
You don't give a
And
fuck.
we had
He's
something
up.
called the Sloane Street Concord. 25
I wouldn't be like
amazing
that.
cars, valued
Yeah, I would
at
talk to people, bro.
£130 million.
I'll talk to the young
And there were
niggas.
two massive winners on the day,
You don't give a
both of which we
fuck.
want to present to you now. My name's Andrew
You said get the fuck out of here, broke ass, bro.
Younger, better looking one. You got better A-level results.
Yeah, he's a bit of a prick, isn't it?
I can tell. Energy's off.
You bombed as well.
Energy's off,
Okay,
innit?
no
And then
Trying
we're
to
talking,
see.
he's looking.
So we're going to, first of all, have the
What's it?
Aston Martin Ballad. I'll have a quick chat with this is a guy who's going to... So this is a man on the Sloane Street Saturday Concord and it won Best Coach Work, which is all about the exterior of the car.
I got such a
And the beautiful lines.
Why is he such a prick? Oh well.
First ever
It's alright if I deserve it. Oh, on the right. Oh, well. Should I go up there? Which car's mine? Parked outside, bro. Street park.
Not 16, 2.5 seconds apparently.
So what else?
I was just letting him take a picture. Being a good Samaritan, unlike that prick. Guy's a prick.
The way they recorded it. of them are mine, bro. Man said they're following the car like that. Psst, machines. Machines, man.
This is the very latest yesterday. So, George will tell me this. Two different levels of power, really, depending on which fuel you use.
There's two different kinds of Yescos altogether, really. So this is the Yesco Attack, which is a high downforce track attack sort of package.
This is more Koenigsegg.
Huh?
More Koenigsegg.
The other one's the Yesco Absolute. This is the attack long-tailed version of high speed. But you're right, the Yesco's regular pump gas, it's over 1200 horsepower. That's not enough for me, 1600 plus with
Maybe stand closer together.
So which one of them do you said you're doing?
Yeah, this has got 270 miles per hour, 270 guys. Again,
Nah, it's calm.
Hey, look. Get me doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you take a picture of myself.
Oh no, not of yourself, but of them.
I took a selfie.
Oh.
You're gonna see that later, yo.
I see them.
GTS, nigga.
Midnight Club car. You know about Midnight Club? Huh?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm fucking with a Ferrari.
Swear.
Actually, I am.
Typical. Typical. SFX. 4GT. That car crazy. Sometimes cars really get peak. Not even old, like as in deeper.
I think these are these.
Back in the day, bro, when no one had this was
That was one.
that was a crazy car, yeah. That's what was in Wolf of Wall Street. I won't fall out the car. What Lamborghinis? Shit, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Will you take a picture of me? Thanks. Thank you so much. I can't even get my legs in. Oh my god! I'm so sorry.
Are you ready?
Wait, one sec. Too much leg show. Okay. Yeah? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just want to see what the interior is like.
Yeah.
Fair enough. 9,700 miles. Nothing.
I will be
Wait, are you gonna reenact the picture or not?
Oh yeah.
See what you're gonna do.
Yeah, I'll try.
Next one.
Even the way the door opens is mad quick. I don't even know.
You can just do your little step.
Class 3 Kuntak.
Proper car that is, mate. Crazy.
Yeah.
Go and do the picture then. Do you know how to do it?
What do I do? Oh wait, no, I can't. My leg up there.
Yeah.
Nah, that's fine.
Nah, bro, you can't.
I'm not doing it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, that's you cause damage to the car. Scratch it and put your foot on that.
Oh shit, yeah. You need assistance.
Should I give you a hand?
Yes. Sorry.
It's fine.
This is a nightmare to get in. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're
It's hard to get in and out.
Crazy.
Just calm down. Never again am I getting in one.
Anyways,
let's go.
back there.
You're welcome. Wait, let's check that Bugatti. Yeah.
Too many people trying to do that.
Checking this out.
French man. With that French flag. No nigga always gotta try. Made in Germany. Got you. Touching in it.
You could do like, you could try and park it.
I don't think that hard to find a boat.
If I took Lorenzo here, about £10.
Huh?
My phone.
I think they still can do it.
Let's just look at that pink, purple car then. Look. You need to get to your game.
Huh?
You need to get to your game.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I need to leave. Innit? Check out this one. Huh? Where? That's anything really.
What I do?
My phone is dead. Anyways, I think that will be it for now. Is that it for now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready to blow home and sleep.
Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.